losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something.
Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So इस वीडियो में मैं आपको अपना पीजी का टूर देने वाला हूँ. लाइक सिंपली पीजी का नहीं, अपने रूम का ही मैं बताऊँगा कि हाउ मच आई पे एंड लाइक व्हाट आर द थिंग्स आई गेट. सो बेसिकली लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द डोर. लेट मी एंटर बैक अगेन. सो बाहर से कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. सो इफ़ आई गो इनसाइड and let me close my door again so I won't disturb anyone. So यहाँ पे I got the two cupboards here. First one is this, second one is this, and third one is this. So I got the third cupboard also. And about this table I have a long story. In short, like I bought it from the OLX. So it's not very expensive here. You can use OLX and I can make a video कि मतलब आप बैंगलोर में कौन कौन सा ऐप यूज़ कर सकते हैं प्रोडक्टिविटी के. Like there are a lot of different apps. So yeah, this is my bed. Like I have joined two beds, so it's very comfortable, and I'm single sharing. So and some books, laptops. Okay, or the view, if you want to see from my window, is very cool, man. See, that's a apartment, and the children used to play there. And you can take this lane and go outside in the main road of like Whitefield. So and about the price we pay here, so it's around, if you are ready to share a room with someone else, it will be around 5.5k per month. So for me it's like I'm single sharing, so it will be around 9k, and like you can negotiate a bit, but like if you are staying single, so it will be max to max 9,000. And yeah, and if you are sharing three person in a single room, it will be around 5k, I guess. I don't know about the 3k. And for the food, you will get 3 times food, and the water you will get everything, the same amenities like every other PG will give you. So, I live in a Whitefield. If I didn't mention it. So, and more thing is, I have a TV. Here I have one TV, and if you want to see inside the almari, see, I know it's very clumsy. So it's something I used to keep for eating at night. And what more? So in this almari I have dresses, like my clothes and everything, not properly arranged. Still I have something. And if you want to see the bathroom, it's quite good. So you will get a western kind of bathroom, and so there a shower also. So this is for hot water. And if you turn like this is for hot water, and if you turn like this, it is for cold water. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want my whole PG tour, comment down below. And I will put the location of this PG in the description also. You can, and you will get Wi-Fi too. So if you have some like query about this PG, like what are the things I get, there is a common like washing machine you will get, and something like refrigerator. There is common refrigerator at the bottom also, and Wi-Fi is there. You will get mattresses here. Everything you will get. मैं आपको अपने पीजी का छत दिखा के लेके आता हूँ. So let's go.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way.
So yeah, that's all about this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any query, put down in the chat. I will try to resolve your query. So yeah, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.